Morning. Oh, careful ah. If I saw you in heaven. Gusto mo mag-swimming, CJ?
Swimming? Walang pampalit eh. Outang.
Ito maganda oh. Ayun pala yung gym.
Hindi kayo pumunta kagabi?
Hindi eh. Pwede ka mag-party-party ka. Oh!
Oh!
That's cool.
I've been here before.
You've been here before?
Yeah, with sila Tita Tet, pero we didn't stay. Parang nag-lunch lang dito.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why I'm familiar dito. We took a picture nga din here eh.
Just a warning ah, no jumping off the bridge.
Who would jump off the bridge? May tubig ba?
I don't know if Kuya CJ would do that or what.
There's no water.
Yeah, there isn't.
Yeah, it's a road.
Ah, road pala yan.
So who's gonna jump off the bridge?
Maybe if you're suicidal, I guess. And I think it's closed. Oh no. It's a suspension bridge. Nalulula ka, CJ?